So today we're finally lifting the Caterpillar 3516 project. This engine has been through the workshop to be fully rebuilt. We've refurbished the container, and then today it's going to be lifted and transported back to site, ready for installation, and then final commissioning and handover back to the customer.
This came to us about a year ago. It's been a very challenging process, a lot of time waiting for parts, and yeah, it's good to see it's on the wagon now, going back home to do what it should do.
So we're taking this engine back up to its home in Falkirk. We're going to reverse the process that we've done this morning. We'll be dropping the engine, electrically reconnecting, mechanically checking, and then we'll be returning to site to complete an SAT test and a full recommission with the client's existing assets to make sure it can perform as expected.
Right, so that's another one done. Time to get back to work, get ready to do the next one and carry on moving forward. Time to get a cup of tea, I think.